Hello guys, in this video I would like to show how we can use pre-market on ByBit. So now I am on my home page in my ByBit application. Below on the left you can see the orange button home, and we need to go to the more. There is in the middle. I push more. Okay, and here I just search pre-market. The first one, pre-market trading. I go there. For now, tokens well available for pre-market trading. I need to push green letters in progress. And here is the page for this token. At the top, you can see the last traded price for this token, 0.045. Below, you can see the highest price and the floor price. Also the volume. They are in the buy section. And here we can buy this token. What does it mean, buying on pre-market? It means that we buy this token now and we pay for this token now, but we will receive this token only after listing in a few hours. And it will be about in 3, 4 or 5 hours. There will be announcement on ByBit and what time the orders will be closed. And to buy tokens, I need to push buy. Okay, and here we can see the price, the total order. In this order, I can buy 30,000 swell. Below you can see also order value, how many USDT it costs, and fee. The fee is 2%. And also there is information that if seller does not deliver all tokens on time, we will receive compensation and full amount which we paid. And I just need to click here, I have read and agreed, and buy swell. Okay, I go back. Now let's go to the sell, push sell, and we can sell here these tokens. What does it mean sell on pre-market? It means that I'm selling tokens which I do not have for now, but I know, for example, that I will have those tokens, or I want to buy them after listing on spot trading, and I'm sure that I will buy them cheaper, then I can sell here. Yes, so it means that I am selling now those tokens and I will pay the full amount for those tokens. Also, I will pay 2% of commission. And on the listing day, I need to provide this amount of tokens on my trading account, and they will automatically be transferred to my buyer, and I receive the collateral amount which I paid, plus I will receive the amount from my buyer. And also you can see there is information, yes, if you do not deliver the tokens in full and on time, you will lose your entire pledged collateral. Yes, it means that we need to keep on our trading account 500 swell to complete this order. Okay, apart from those orders which are visible here in buy and in sell section, we can create our own order. I need to push create order, and here I can put my own price for which I want to buy this token. And what is important here, there is restriction for the orders. They can't be less than $10. I will create buy order and sell order. Here I put price. So last traded price is 0.05. I will put the price less than that. I will put 20 and 1. Okay. And I will buy 10,000 swell. So my order value will be $10. Okay. Because I can't buy the less amount. And the fee will be 0.2. Okay, and if seller does not deliver, I will receive compensation, yes, and the full amount which I paid. But also there is possibility that my order will not be completed. It means if it will not be completed, it will be closed automatically on the listing day, and I will lose my fee. And all I need to do is just confirm and push buy swell. Okay, and I push buy swell, my order placed. And now let's create order for sell. I need to go to sell first. I will put the bigger price and the quantity 100 swell. Okay, I'm not sure if I will be able to sell by this price, but I try. Might the price will change. I don't know. If I will not sell, it means this order just will be closed automatically, and that's all. And I push sells well. Okay, and that's all. My order was placed. Here at the top, we can see the history of my orders and also the complexion. Yes, and here in the history, I can see my orders. Yes, I see that the status is pending. And if my sell order will be fulfilled, it means that on the listing day, I need to put 100 swell on my trading account. Yes, and if my buy order will be fulfilled, it means that I will receive those tokens on listing date. There will be announcement on ByBit exactly in what time all orders will be closed. And now I will show where you can find your trading account. I go back, and now I need to go to the assets, and here you can see funding account and unified trading. And in this unified trading, we need to have our tokens if we sell them on premarket. To transfer token between funding and unified trading account, you need to push transfer here, and you just need to choose token which you want to transfer from funding to unified trading or back, and you can change here. And that's all. If you have any questions, yes, please ask. If you want more videos about ByBit, please give me a comment and also like. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day ahead, and bye.